guys, naglinis si Bitoy ng fridge ngayon. Ay, tingnan natin. Fridge red tayo. Paano niya na-rinse yung mga binili niya. So, tingnan natin. Let's go. Tingnan natin yung mga arrange niya kung tama ba yung pagka-arrange. Hi, Bele! Hi! So, I'm going to check what are you doing? Are you arranging the food, the meat you bought?
Yeah.
Okay, so you done? You done? Huh? Nearly? So, that's it. Getting ready for his dinner already. It's only 2 o'clock. So, tingnan natin. Pasensya na, medyo marumi kay nagano nga siya, nag-arrange. So, dito wanda is so we have ice in there. This one is pork. Another pork. More on chickens at the back. And this one is, I don't know what is this. Another beef slice. More on chicken kami in there. Chickens, nakapakpak na siya. And then here, siya yung nag-arrange niyan. Siya at hot dogs and what is this called? Chicken breast nuggets. That one, chicken breast nuggets, and then another chicken wings, and there's another beef. Tingnan mo pag-arrange niya. Yan. Tapos dito tayo sa baba. Let's go here. So anyway, nag-ready na yung pick-out. Nag-pick-out pala kami kanina. Yan yun. Para leave for dinner na siya. Para sa akin mamaya. So, nag-ready na yung dinner niya. Beef daw ang gusto niya mamaya. So, dito, sara muna natin din sa taas. So, dito sa baba is may breadcrumbs kami. Ano man to? Plastic. May another, ano ba to? I forgot it's the crispy fry. We have here the second row is we have dried fish. And then carrots nandito. Ito rin nilagay namin dito sa taas is yung gagamitin namin for tonight or for tomorrow. And here is my favorite, ampalaya. Ampalaya, binili ko lang yan kanina sa may naglako-lako. So dito sa baba is water, fresh milk, and then anyway, more on calamansi juice kami, guys. Calamansi juice kami, iwas kami ng soft drinks. Pero may soft drinks pa rin, Pepsi at Sprite para kay Billy sa tanduay niya. So down here is vegetables. That's it. That's all we have in our freezer, guys. So that's all what we have for now in our fridge, guys. So, yan yung arrange niya. Siya yung nag-arrange. So, anyway, that was our fridge. Not much in it, but that's okay. It's good for hopefully 2 weeks at least. Ay, Bitoy. Yan siya. Ganado siya nag-arrange kasi may ano siya. Siyempre may tanduay. May tanduay. So, that was it.